Have you always dreamed of immersive flights as if you were inside the drone? Now's your chance. DJI has just launched the Goggles N3, a new low-cost FPV headset. Its price will be half that of the Goggles 3, and despite being a cheaper version, it maintains DJI's high-quality standard. After impressing the market with the launch of the Neo, DJI felt the need to popularize the FPV system as well, since the Goggles 3 is a very expensive piece of equipment compared to the Neo. The new Goggles N3 features a larger and simplified design, as it uses a 3.5-inch screen and removes focal adjustments for those who wear prescription glasses. Its larger size allows the pilot to use their own glasses inside the goggles, thanks to ample space between the eyes and lenses. The N3 is comfortable and has a thick foam that completely blocks external light, creating total immersion. The head strap is also comfortable, allowing precise adjustment at the back. Initially, it will be compatible only with the Neo and the Avata 2. But there is an expectation of a software update that will make it compatible with other drones using the O4 transmission system, such as the Mini 4 Pro, the Air 3, and the Mavic 3. This system provides a resolution of 1080p at 60 frames per second, with a latency of 31 milliseconds on the Avata 2 and 58 milliseconds on the Neo. It has a 2,450 mAh battery that attaches to the back of the head for weight balance, offering greater comfort. The battery has an autonomy of 2.7 hours, a little less than the 3 hours of the Goggles 3. The O4 transmission system supports dual-band 2.4 and 5.8 GHz for better signal stability and has an excellent range of 13 kilometers. There's also a defogging function that can be manually activated to ventilate the lenses, although it's rarely needed due to the ample internal space. On the upper front part, it has a memory card slot and a USB-C port, allowing video transmission to a phone. It can also connect to transmit images to another Goggles N3 or even a Goggles 3. Besides the great value, the Goggles N3 retains advanced features from previous models, such as head tracking, which makes the drone follow the pilot's head movements horizontally and vertically. When used with Motion Control 3, it enables an augmented reality cursor for easy menu navigation, letting you point and select options on the screen, similar to using a mouse. This allows in-flight function changes. DJI has kept basic safety and intuitive control features, which means even beginners in FPV can make the most of the Neo's potential. With O4 transmission providing high-definition images with minimal latency, DJI has made FPV more accessible and inviting, enabling more people to explore, create, and share their experiences in the sky with quality and immersion that was previously only possible with much more expensive equipment. The N3 will cost $229 instead of the $500 for the Goggles 3. This will be the price in the United States before taxes. In summary, the Goggles N3, together with the DJI Neo and motion controller, offers an excellent entry point for democratizing the FPV world at a more accessible cost, while maintaining key features for an immersive flight experience with DJI quality for a much broader audience. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as I'll be posting new videos as soon as more updates come out. Thank you for watching.